welcome. Now, I don't know what this big drama is about. Priyanka and Rahul contesting from Raebareli and Amethi. Priyanka from Raebareli and Rahul Gandhi from Amethi. What's the big drama? If they are going to contest, they should announce it and get done with it, for God's sake. What is all this talk? About Sonia Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge pleading to them, trying to convince them saying, no, it's a difficult fight. Then mother saying, fight, Kharge going there, trying to convince them, please save the party honor by agreeing to fight. I mean, what is this? Some kindergarten show, is it? Why this drama? This is not some demonetization program that you have to maintain maximum secrecy till the end. Having said that, if either of them avoids fighting and chickens out of either Raebareli or Amethi, that will also look bad. So the Vadra Gandhi siblings, in my view, have pushed it too far for this announcement of their contesting Amethi. Rahul Gandhi from Amethi and Priyanka Vadra from Raebareli, respectively. If they announce it now, it will look like they have been pushed into the contest, kicking and screaming. If either of them don't fight, Rahul Gandhi from Amethi and Priyanka Vadra from Raebareli, then it will look like they have chickened out. So that's the way it looks, ladies and gentlemen. Debate number 1. Tomorrow is the last day of filing the nomination. We don't have a name yet for either Amethi or Raebareli. Debate number 2 this evening. Viewers, Prime Minister's popularity in India makes Pakistan nervous. There are Pakistani leaders who are really strongly batting for Rahul Gandhi. Debate number 3 tonight. The Prime Minister ups the ante on the vote jihad call, says it's disgusting. That's 10:30 p.m. as the PM picks that up. And here are the headlines this Thursday evening on the debate tonight. Battle-ready Smriti Irani campaigns in Amethi, but the confused Congress yet to decide on Rahul. Battered and taught a lesson by Modi, Pakistani leaders begin their own campaigns for Rahul Gandhi.
अब पाकिस्तानी नेता दुआ कर रहे हैं शहजादे को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए पाकिस्तान उतावला है और हम तो जानते ही है कांग्रेस तो पाकिस्तान की मुरीदी है.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi says the Congress has a special relationship with Pakistan, and now that's been proven. Makes it a big election headline.
इंडी गठबंधन ने लोकतंत्र के उत्सव में वोट जिहाद की बात करके लोकतंत्र का भी अपमान किया है, संविधान का भी अपमान किया है और कांग्रेस के एक भी नेता ने.
Vote jihad comment storm rages on as the India Alliance made another huge mistake by pushing for vote jihad.